Hi there. Welcome to Jify. Your company has partnered with Jify to help you access your salary. We will explain to you what Jify is about and how you can use it. First, download the Jify app via the Play Store. Once you have opened the Jify app, log in with your company code and employee number code. Talk to your HR for these details. Complete a quick 4-step KYC to see your current month's earnings. After logging in, you will see your current month's earnings and the balance you can withdraw. Now, if you would like to withdraw a part or all your available balance, click on Withdraw as shown here. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. You can choose to transfer this amount either to your Jify card or your bank account. Transferring to Jify card is completely free. Click on where you would want to transfer this amount. Click on Confirm and receive money. Your salary advance will be transferred instantly. The Jify card is available in both forms. The digital card on your app, as well as a physical card that will be delivered to your address. This card functions as a normal debit card. You can use it online, offline, and at ATMs as well as claim exciting rewards and cashbacks with it. Thank you for watching this video. To reach out to us at this email address for any queries.